It is hard to understate the importance of technology and data in our everyday lives. According to Manovich, during 1 decade, the computer moved from being a culturally invisible technology to being the new engine of culture. With this shift of how technology is positioned in our society, one would think that other technological factors, such as data storage, would be of utmost importance for the everyday user. However, we find ourselves at a time during which our own data stored on our computers or phones is incredibly difficult to access, through fault of our own. In this video tutorial, we would like to focus on the importance of proper data storage, and we will demonstrate how to transform a disorganized storage system into an organized one. An important historical proposal, first coined by Bush in his book titled As We May Think, is the concept of the Memex, a form of library for storing files which then could be quickly accessed by a simple search. Similarly, an organized storage system should function as a sort of Memex. File access should be quick and simple for both the user as well as the machine. With this in mind, let us take a look into transforming these storage systems.
In order to illustrate how to transform a file system from a disorganized to an organized one, we have created a short video tutorial that goes through step-by-step directions on file organization. As can be seen, currently the files are quite disorganized, with no common ground to be found between either file names or file types. In order to first begin organizing the system, it is important to identify the most popular file types present. In our case, these are documents, PDFs, audio files, video files, Excel sheets, and URLs. Identifying file types allow us to divide data into rough categories, which will increase productivity and decrease time spent looking for files. Our file storage system will be separated into 3 distinct categories: documents, programs, images, and others. With this division, we can create separate folders for these files to be contained in. Furthermore, file naming is a crucial step for a properly organized system. As such, drawing inspiration from the open source framework's file naming guide version 3.1, we will create a coherent naming system that uses alphanumeric characters, underscores, and capitalization. In addition, in order to ensure proper categorization, a storage model similar to Johnny.decimal is also introduced, in which the main folders can be further separated into shelves, which can adequately store information related to the topic. With this in mind, let us take a look at our files and how we can rename and reorganize them for further ease of use. Now we are going to show some changes we have made to our file system. Starting off with the documents folder. As you can see, we have these 2 shelves over here, these 2 files, and within these files we have got other files which are over there. You might have seen that in the starting of the video these files had different names. However, now we have sorted them by these decimal numbers, which will help in better identification and navigation while looking for these files. We also use the same process for other files such as programs, images, and others. As we can see, our new file storage system is not only much easier to navigate, but it looks significantly better than it was previously. We hope that this tutorial demonstrated some valuable techniques to improve your own storage system. Thank you.